The Honor 90 has an elegant and sophisticated design in black color, with premium details and a soft-to-the-touch finish. Brand Honor operating system: Android smartphone. Yes. Color: midnight black, emerald green, diamond silver with OLED display. Yes. Broadband generation 5G. Lens type: wide angle, ultra wide angle. Screen size: 6.7 inches. Screen storage capacity: 256 GB, 512 GB. Rear camera resolution: 200 megapixels. Rear camera. Front camera resolution: 50 megapixels. Front camera. RAM 8 GB, RAM 12 GB. Honor 90 Mobile was launched on the 29th of May 2023. The phone comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, 6.60-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1200 by 2664 pixels, FHD+. Honor 90 is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor. It comes with 8 GB, 12 GB of RAM. The Honor 90 runs Android 13 and is powered by a 5000 mAh non-removable battery. The Honor 90 supports proprietary fast charging.